Hey everyone, Dr. Michelle with Design to Heal, back to do a video on the 10 fun facts of ear seeds. And I do have an ear seed playlist, so I'd encourage you to all go there and learn about auriculotherapy, ear acupressure, and it's something that I have a lot of information on the videos, but we can treat a variety of health conditions, pretty much whatever ails you. So this is just a little visual of the bling ear seeds, which are my favorite. These are Swarovski crystals. And you can also just get the basic flesh color ones if you don't want to bling out for the holidays. So just wanted to give you that little visual before I jump in and tell you 10 fun facts about ear seeds. So let's start with number 1. Auriculotherapy is often described as reflexology on the ears. So I don't know if you've all heard of reflexology, but it's amazing. I did study reflexology, and it's working with the feet and then the hands as a complement. So auriculotherapy, the ear, is often described as a reflexology for the ear. Number 2, the seeds used in our kits are made with dried seeds from the Vicaria plant. This purple flowering plant, known in the Orient for its blood invigorating properties, so really great at promoting circulation. Those are on the flesh colored ones that I use. And I'll give you a little visual of those. Here we go. And then the little seed, which provides the acupressure on the ear, is right there. And those are Vicaria seeds. Now, the bling ones have 24 karat gold. So those are going to be very tonifying for the body. Number 3, celebrities, including Penelope Cruz and Matt Damon, have been photographed in ear seeds for stress and back pain. Some of the main things that I treat too in my practice. Number 4, a certified ear seed practitioner, Dr. Michelle, can actually identify medical conditions throughout the body just by looking at a person's ear. So I love getting my little pen light out and looking at the person's ear, and we can see all sorts of little veins and little swellings and things that can tell us all sorts of information about the body. And I did many, I don't even know, let's see what year, about 3 years ago. Maybe this was after the pandemic. I completed my auriculotherapy training program. So I am a certified practitioner of ear seeds. So there you go. Number 5, let's see, number 5. Auriculotherapy has been featured on the Dr. Oz show, the doctors, as well as in the New York Times, Live Strong, ABC News, MSN, and so many others. Ear seed kits are designed to last between 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the number of ear seeds used at a given time. And I can do prescription protocols for you all via telemedicine or live. So let's see. Speaking of the ear seed kits, I do have some of those available in my store at designtoheal.biz. Go to scroll down and go to my shop for ear seeds. If you go to the ear seed link, that will take you directly to ear seeds, and you can order there as well. But if you want to order off my website, I do have some of the kits available. And then usually when I'm doing a telemedicine appointment, I have the patient order their ear seed kit either from me or on the website. And once those arrive, then we can do a telemedicine appointment, and we can go through the health condition, and I can teach you how to put those on and also give you the prescription protocol for whatever we're treating. And we can treat multiple conditions. All right, number 7. Seeds are affixed to the ear with adhesive tape and are designed to stay in place for at least 3 to 5 days. Now, I also provide a post-op care. I'm going off on my own here again. Post-op care instruction sheet, which will help in doing your ear seed treatments. So I provide that. They can stay on up to 5 to 7 days. It just depends on the type of ear seeds and your skin type, etc. So even with showers and sleeping. So I do provide information on my post-care sheet about that too. Number 8, according to the World Health Organization, the ear is the most studied microsystem of the whole body. Pretty cool. Represents the whole body. In the 1950s, this is number 9. In the 1950s, Dr. Paul Nogier, a French physician, discovered the roots of auriculotherapy and spent his life studying it. He is known as the father of auriculotherapy. Number 10, drum roll. Ear seeds are available in an assortment of designs, including 24-karat gold and Swarovski crystal embellished styles. So let me show you those. These are they come in chakra colors, all sorts of different colors. And they also come in the clear, which was the one that I showed you in the picture in the beginning of the video. But some people like to mix and match with the clear and the colored. Some people like all colored. Some people like all clear. I mix and match, and sometimes I do all clear. So it just depends on what I'm up to. You can match your outfit. They're very festive too for holidays, and they do have many different designs. If you go onto my link on my website, you can find a whole bunch of different types of ear seeds. So feel free to reach out if you want to schedule an appointment. I can guide you. In our telemedicine appointment, I draft up ear seed prescriptions. So I'll write your prescription down here, and then we'll mark the different points. Usually 5 points on each ear is the total amount. And then I'll give you the protocol depending on what we're working on, be it eating disorder, helping the mindset control that goes with that, mental health issues, addiction, anxiety, sleep, all sorts of conditions. We can pretty much treat every place in the body. And then here's just a few little flip cards. Here's one for depression. Let's show you another. Here's one for libido. And then let's see, what else am I just randomly turning? Oh, here's one for stress. So this is a great, now with the holidays coming up, stress. So, and then there's many other points, not just what's on the little flash card, that I come up with my own prescriptions and make it individual to the patient. But just to give you an idea, this was part of my auriculotherapy training, and these are all individual points with all their treatment functions. So I never run out of ear seed points and ear acupressure points for acupuncture. We can use the needles in treatment, and then we can use the ear seeds. And the patient can also just press, if you don't have an ear seed. Perhaps I'll do a few videos, that would be fun, on just doing acupressure for some of these conditions. So if you have a condition that you want me to show you with acupressure, reach out, leave a comment or question in the comment box below. Email me if you'd like to set up an appointment or if you have any questions. And I'm here for you. So get settled in, stay balanced through the holidays, stay happy, self-care. And I'm here for you if you need me. So sending you lots of love, light, and healing, and mucho blessings. So see you soon, guys. Ciao for now.